When introducing two friends to each other, there are a few key points to keep in mind. Before introducing your friends, let each of them know in advance that you have another friend you think they should meet. If it's not a spur-of-the-moment introduction, you can host a party to give the friends an opportunity to meet in a more relaxed setting. Alternatively, you can arrange for them to meet without you by setting up a friendship blind date or giving them each other's contact information. Once they are together, make the necessary introductions, using the names they prefer to go by. Stick around after the introduction to keep the conversation flowing, highlight common interests between your friends, and suggest activities you all might do together. While facilitating the friendship, avoid gossiping about one friend with the other. If the two friends do not hit it off, do not push it. Some people just don't click, and that's okay. Similarly, if they become best friends and seem to exclude you, try not to take it personally, and remember that their closeness is not a reflection of your relationship with them individually.